And welcome back to another Java tutorial. My name is Kelvin from Firehawk Productions. In the last tutorial, we learned about object attributes. And so we gave things like restaurant name, restaurant rating, and whether or not my restaurant has a buffet. And in this tutorial, I'll teach you guys a little bit more about constructors. So a constructor is what we created here. It basically allows the construction of an object. And so in this case, we created a restaurant object through this constructor. So first, if you guys followed my code from the previous tutorials, then you can use this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete these two lines because it has nothing to do with what we're learning. I was just showing you what objects were. So I'm just gonna delete this, and then I'm also gonna delete all the printouts, or no, I'm gonna comment out all the printouts here. So comment all that out. Alright, so what I'm going to be teaching you in this tutorial is creating more than one constructor for a class. So in this class, we named it class restaurant. And whenever you have a constructor, it always has to have the same name as the class. So in this case, we named a restaurant, so therefore the constructor name also has to be restaurant. And your object also has to have the same name as the class, which is restaurant. So we created a constructor here, and it takes three parameters: a name, a rating, and whether or not the restaurant has a buffet. But what if I wanted to just create a constructor with nothing in it? And I'm gonna type out the code and explain to you all what it means. So I'm gonna create two more constructors. So watch what I do. Public restaurant. That's my first empty constructor. There's nothing in it. And I'm going to create another constructor right now. So follow what I do. Alright, so right now you can see here that I have three different constructors. The first one is, public restaurant, and there's no